How to connect Geenie Camera to Wi-Fi. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily connect Geenie Camera to Wi-Fi. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed Geenie application. So just open the application and also make sure you have already logged into your account. So you can basically create any account with your Gmail or email. So once you do that, now you just have to click on this plus icon, or you can also click on this add device button over here. So I'll just click on this plus icon and click on add device button over here. So once I'm clicking here, it will just scan for nearest device. So what I will do is, since we want to connect our camera, Geenie Camera, to Wi-Fi, I'll just click on this Wi-Fi camera over here and click on next. Once again, click on next and make sure to read the instructions over here. As you can see, it's saying me to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds to reset on your camera. And once you follow all of the instructions, it will ask you to enter your Wi-Fi passwords. Just make sure that you have selected 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. If your Wi-Fi is 5 gigahertz, then please you have to set it to your 2.4 gigahertz. If you don't know how to do that, you can just click on this click for help button over here and you can simply read it out over here and find it how you can do it. So since I'm already selecting 2.4 gigahertz, I'll just enter my Wi-Fi password over here and just click on next. And once you are inside here, you have to scan it from your camera and just click on continue if you heard a prompt, and once it gets set it up, it should be successfully connecting you to your camera. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.